When trying to understand the duty of care, which a licensed establishment owes to a patron, one must firstly ask, to what extent do licensees need to protect patrons from harm? Whilst there are various risks that may arise in a licensed premise, for example, contaminated glasses, spills on the ground, liver damage, we here at ABC Group want to showcase the state of liability in regards to the provision of crowd controlling services by licensed venues. When talking about this specific role of licensed venues, through the lens of the tort of negligence, there are hypothetically 3 different possible duties of care owed to the patrons. Those duties being: 1. Protecting the patron from the actions of third parties by means of intervention of crowd controllers. 2. Protecting the patron from the actions of crowd controllers or employees that are vicariously liable. 3. Protecting the patron from the consequences of their own actions in an intoxicated state. With that being said, our focus in this presentation is to highlight the first and second type of duties, as the third is seen by the courts to be an issue of personal responsibility. This is because the courts on various occasions have highlighted that, outside exceptional cases, licensees do not owe a general duty of care to customers to monitor them and protect from the consequences of alcohol consumption. Quite often in these cases where it is seen to be the injured party's own fault for the intoxicated-related injury, the courts are quite willing to discharge the licensee of liability and negligence. Furthermore, S-461 of the CLA explicitly states that a person is not owed a duty of care merely because the person is intoxicated. Nor does intoxication otherwise affect the standard of care owed to the person.